shank. You've got the welt here, and it's got the stitch right here. There's two different stitches. One is up and down through the sole and the welt all the way through, and the other one is a side stitch that goes through there, through there, through there, and it's right down in a channel, about 1/8 of an inch deep here, and it goes in on an angle. Somebody from Central America, South America, Mexico. I'd rather have somebody from a country where they know what it's like to work and they're not about entitlement. Why don't you get a hold of the Ukrainian Center and see if there's any Ukrainians that have moved here that have the skill set? And I'm like, not a bad idea. I was gonna do it until, and then these two approached me, so I'm kind of like,